This is a question from electromagnetic theory, and here a sphere of conducting sphere of radius r, it is a shell actually, is held at potential V, and when this radius becomes 2r, it is 2V. Okay, and at a distance 3 by 2r, what is the potential they have asked? So you can clearly see that here uh, no free charge is given, just the potentials are given. So obviously it is a case of Laplace equation. So if you write Laplace equation for this del square V is equal to 0, you know the solution will be given by ur comma theta is summation r is equal to 0 to infinity a r to the power L plus b by r to the power L plus 1 and PL cos theta, where PL cos theta is Legendre polynomial. So you can clearly see that if I apply this boundary condition to the shell of potential V, there is no dependence on theta. So that uh, compels that L should be equal to 0 because there should be no dependence on theta. So the profile of potential will become very easy, and it will become just A uh, r to the power 0 plus b by r to the power 1. This is the uh, profile of the potential. So when the radius is r, the potential is V is equal to A plus B by R, and when it is 2V, then we have A plus, so this potential is 2V when the radius is 2R. So just write B by 2R. Okay. So from here we will get the values of A and B, and then easily we can write what will be the potential at 3 by 2R. So just subtract this, you will get V is equal to this minus this. So it will be B by R half minus 1, which is V is equal to minus B by 2R. So you got the value of B from here. B is minus 2R capital B. Okay. And what is the value of A? Put it somewhere. So A is equal to V minus B by R, which is V minus, what is B? It is minus 2RV by R. So R and R cancel, A will be equal to 3V. Now if you want to write potential at 3 by 2R, it will become V is equal to A plus B by 1.5 R, which is equal to, what is A? A is 3V and plus B. B is minus 2RV minus 2RV upon 1.5 R. R and R got cancelled, and you will have, you can solve it now. So 3 into 1.5 will give you 4.5 minus 2 by 1.5, which is equal to 2.5 over 1.5. So 5, 3 are 15, 5, 5 are 25. So it is just 5 by 3V. Okay. So it is 5 by 3V. Now you can divide it and get the value. So you understand this power of Laplace equation and knowing the solution in the spherical polar coordinate. Whenever some condition is given that this is having potential V, this is having potential 2V, you have to apply Laplace equation. Okay, thank you.